Every sunrise reminds us we are still here, we are still growing. From every corner of the country, we carry hope in our hearts and strength in our stories. We have seen tough times, but today there's laughter again in our corridors, dreams in our notebooks, and purpose in our steps. It's time to breathe easy, to believe in peace, to believe in each other. Don't let every whisper turn into worry. Not every forward is true, not every rumor is real. Truth doesn't shout, it stays steady. Find it in trusted voices, not in trending noise. So let's focus on what matters: unity, understanding, and building a better tomorrow.
We choose peace over panic.
We choose truth over rumors.
We choose unity over fear.
Let's move forward, not backward.
Let's build, not break.
Together we rise, together we move forward.
Because together we are stronger than anything.